back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I moisturize my hair. It was wash day. I've just washed my hair, freshly washed, and now I'm going to go through the process of putting some moisture into my hair, because if you do not moisturize your hair will be dry and it will break. Then you will not maintain your hair length, it won't grow. So moisturizing your hair is life. That's a tip for you to grow your hair. A very nice tip from me. And I'm going to use my Livana leave-in treatment, which will not be enough for the whole head, and therefore I have TCB Naturals leave-in treatment. I have my pink oil moisturizer. I have my scalp gel, my olive oil to seal in my moisture. So those are the things that I'm going to use. Guys, I'm using natural light, and right now it looks so rainy outside. I'm just behind it. There's a window and I can see outside. It may start, it's cloudy, it can start raining anytime. So when you see the light changing, forgive me. I'm using natural light. I'm going to apply my leave-in in sections. And I'm going to start from the back. I'm going to take my Livana leave-in. I rub it between my hands and I just apply on the back of my head, from the tip to the roots, to the ends. Then after my leave-in, I take my moisturizer, just a little bit, because this moisturizer is very moisturizing. What am I saying? I'm just repeating myself. It is very moisturizing, so you just use a small amount. Then I comb through. Combing becomes easier when your hair is moisturized. Take my leave-in. Then my pink oil. So guys, I have this part remaining, this one that I have not moisturized, but the beyond I have moisturized, and therefore I'm going to seal it with my olive oil. Ooh. The olive oil smells so sweet. I'm going to go on with the same process, and I'll come back when I'm in my last section. We are on the last section, guys. And luckily, the Livana has done the work. So my new leave-in treatment, I will use it in my next time when I wash my hair, because this one has done the work. I didn't think it would be enough, but at least for next time I'll be using the TCB Natural. That's so much product. Now my hair looks white, but when it dries up, it will be back to normal. Now guys, I'm done with moisturizing my hair. Right now I'm going to use this scalp gel. I'm just going to apply between my hair. I think I'll have to do with sections. I take this opportunity to massage my hair. So, guys, my lighting is bad right now. The sun is gone. Due to this scalp gel, I can feel my scalp doing some work. It feels so fresh. I feel, you see the way spirit evaporates in your scalp? I'm feeling like that right now. I mean, my scalp feels like that. It's like it's refreshing. Oh, I'm feeling it all over my head. Now I'm just going to relax and do my African threading. I will come back when I'm oiling my scalp. I will do it outside camera, I think so. The lighting is so bad right now. I'll use coconut oil to oil my scalp, and I thank you guys. This is how I moisturize my hair. Just know that your hair needs a lot of moisture for it to grow. Otherwise, your hair won't grow. Use water. Spray your water anytime, but not really during the cold season because they do not work together. Yeah, I thank you so much guys for supporting me, for subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm doing, today is on 25th May, but I'm sure this video will come up later, almost late June or early July. I don't know guys. Have you subscribed? Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. God bless you, and please subscribe, okay?